guys, welcome to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. If you're new, my name is Ashley and I'm so excited to have you today. I've been getting a lot of requests to see what's in my bag or what's in my purse, and on top of that I just got a new Louis Vuitton, so if you want to see what I keep inside, then definitely stay tuned. Okay, so I've done a few of these videos. I did one a long time ago when I first started, and it was in my delightful Louis Vuitton bag, and it was more of a like clean out my purse. My purse is always dirty. Like, I'll clean it out and by the next day it's just full, and it didn't matter if I had like tons of organizers. It didn't matter what I did to organize the inside. It always ended up a mess, and I think I finally figured it out. It was just too big, and I think when you're a new mom you need that space. So if you have like diapers and wipes and all that, I totally get. There was a phase in my life that I needed that, and there's also a phase where you have that nice little like small clutch that you just crossbody across you. I can't wait to be at that stage, but I'm still not there. I'm like somewhere in the middle. So the bag that I went and bought was a Tureen, and it is a size PM. And this is it. I actually went in for like a crossbody style, and thank goodness they didn't have it, because I probably would have bought it. But after talking to the girl for a little while, you know, it's just, I think this is more doable for an everyday bag. And I will say it has saved me so much junk from getting in my purse. There's been a few times I've went to like cram something in there and it wouldn't fit, and so I just couldn't take it. And so this is just helping like my shoulder and my bag. I don't know, just if you have a problem with carrying too much stuff that you really don't need, think about downsizing. The other thing I love about this is like I can carry it like this, like on my arm, and have like a cute little bag. Or it does have the long strap, so the majority of the time when I have Savannah and we're shopping or we're doing something, I can be hands-free and have a purse, and I feel like it's just a good size. You'll see I have a lot in here, but it's not like crazy amount. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And the first thing I have is a sunglass case. I always have to have a pair of sunglasses. You know, it gets sunny here, and it took me a long time to find these. These are from TJ Maxx. They were like right around 10 bucks, I want to say. But I do have false like lash extensions, and it took me a while to find some that like my lashes didn't hit them. But I have these. I always go cheap on sunglasses. I love people that have like nice designer ones, but I don't know, just the stage of life I am. If I lose these, which if I lose these I'm gonna be sad because it took me a while to find them, but if I lose them or they get broke, it was like, you know, 10 bucks, no big deal. And then this is just once again a cheap little case from Ross, but it does keep them from getting scratched. So this does take up room in my purse, but I don't know how many sunglasses I've gone through because they get scratched on the lens, or I lose them where I just take them off, I put them in here, and I know right where they are. The next thing I have are cough drops. I've been sick. I'm not anymore, so now I can take these out, but I did have cough drops in my purse just from that. My wallet. This is actually a fake wallet. My friend, my good friend carries Louis Vuittons, and she actually went to Paris, and she picked this up super cheap, but it is a knockoff. I bought it from her for like $10. I don't want to open it up just because all my cards are inside, but if you're carrying like a real bag, you can totally mix like high end and low end, and people don't question it. I do it with my outfits all the time. I do it in my house all the time. So don't think you just need to like go all out. I feel like their wallets are super pricey compared to their purses, and I get there's like more detail, but you can always look into that. This is something that was given to me from a family member, so I'm not 110% sure if it's real or fake. Either way, I don't care. Once again, I have the purse. The purse is real, but the rest I'm not too worried about. And here I like to just keep extra makeup. So this is just a cheap powder, especially when I'm vlogging. If my nose gets shiny or anything, I have extra lipsticks in here. I always like to keep a chapstick. This is just Burt's Bees. But I like to keep that in my purse. My lips do get chapped. Savannah's lips always get chapped, so I like to keep that in there. And then if you have false eyelash extensions, you know, this little wand, I always keep it for if they like get stuck together or if I need to fluff them up. I have these everywhere, but I keep that in there. let's see what else. I keep my checkbook, and once again, I think this is a fake one. So I don't even remember where I've got it. I've had it forever. Savannah's inhaler. This is another thing I got to go smaller on or downsize. She used to have like this big extension for because she wasn't able to do this yet. But now that she can, that saved me a lot of space. But I always have this in my purse because Chase can use it too. I don't need this, but Chase and Savannah both need inhalers. So I like to keep those. A pencil. I try to always keep like a pencil or a pen. I actually need a pen, but I don't think I have one in here yet. There's typically always receipts no matter what I do. This is from Scoops and Grinds. We had ice cream the other day if you watched our vlog. Another thing I like to keep are these little wipes, and I always pick up a few when I'm either at McAllister's or these are Chick-fil-A, but these are just good to have on hand. I don't know. If you have a kid, even if you don't have a kid and you like spill something on your shirt or in your car, or if you just need to clean your hands before you do something, I like to just have a few of these. I have like 5 right here, and I just keep them in the pocket. Mints, I always try to keep. I get these from my church. I'll normally pick up 2 and I'll eat 1 and throw 1 in my purse. I mainly have been grabbing these for, I didn't have my cough drops in there, and I like to have these in my purse. So during church, if I started to have like a cough attack, I would have something to suck on. So I have that in there. Let's see what else. I normally have a planner. I kept that in my old purse. I haven't decided. It is a smaller one if I'm going to keep it in this one. I think it's one of those I'm just going to leave out. I have a big one that sits on my desk where I work, and then I have a small one, and I think I'm only going to carry that on days that I need it. So like if I'm going to a dentist appointment or going to a doctor's appointment or going to Savannah's dentist, I know to take it. Really the only time I need that one for my purse is when I'm going to be scheduling appointments, which isn't often, so that's kind of why I took it out. Another thing I keep in my purse, I've had these in here a while and haven't had a chance to use them, and I will say I've had some people come up to me before, but I didn't have these yet. But if you ever see me, come up to me. I ordered these bracelets just for you guys to just say thank you when you guys come up and see me, and for watching my channel. And like I said, I've run into a few people at Walmart and a few people at Life Church, so come up and meet me again and I'll totally give one of these. I like to keep a few in my purse, just as a way, like I said, to say thank you. I wish I could meet all of you guys, and I'll totally do meetups one day, but I just haven't yet. I don't know. In my head, I'm like, nobody's gonna come. I just got back from Dallas, and a lot of you are like, oh my gosh, I would have loved to have met you. First off, it was a super quick trip. Like, we were there and gone. And secondly, I don't know why it makes me nervous. I don't want to do it and then nobody show up. But eventually, I promise to do that. Why this is empty, I'm going to show you what it looks inside. So my Delightful was just one big solid piece, and I just don't feel like you can be that organized in stuff like that. This does have like a big side pocket over here. I know it's hard to tell, and then 2 dividers over here, and just having those 3 extra pockets makes a big difference. So definitely when you're searching for a purse, if you need that storage, make sure it's got zips and compartments. Louis Vuitton doesn't make a lot of those, I feel like, unless it is like a crossbody. But when you're just getting like the Neverfull or the Delightful, they're just one big open bag, which is nice, but at the same time, it does not help for storage. So this one had a little bit, plus since it's smaller, I can't cram it with as much stuff. So I feel like that has helped me so much, because even like if Chase or Savannah had a bottle of water or just something big and they didn't want to carry it, they would go and throw it in my purse, because literally if you have a Neverfull or Delightful, it will carry so much stuff. But that's not a good thing either. So this is my 5th Louis Vuitton, but it's my first brand new one. All the other ones I bought used. I have a whole vlog up telling you guys how I've bought them used before, if you guys like need to get them on discount. But I will say, just keep in mind, the bigger you go, just it's the more you can fill it. Where when they try to put something in here, I'm like, ah, it doesn't fit, can't put it in there. So if you can, I'll hold this up. Like, this holds so much stuff. My phone's always in there, I didn't show that. Wipes, and it still has more room. So it has plenty of space, and like I said, this is the PM. So I'm loving this purse. For all you guys that are wondering, definitely you don't have to have a Louis Vuitton. A Ross carries great purses. TJ Maxx, Walmart has really upped their game. Target, all those places. I'm just showing you this is the one I'm carrying currently. And if you're wanting one of your own, just so you know, I'm not at 100,000 yet subscribers, but while I was in Dallas, I knew I wouldn't be going back for a while. We just kind of go once a year, once every couple of years. I went ahead and picked up a Louis Vuitton bag. I have not shown you guys yet, but it's over here. I will be giving that away as soon as we reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So definitely be on the lookout for that in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions just about anything that you saw in my purse, or what I don't have in my purse, or what I should have in my purse, definitely leave that down below in the comment section. I will say YouTube has been funny lately. They've got a lot of drama going on. So if my comments are closed for any reason, that is never me. That is something that YouTube's doing. So just keep checking those and it should come back. You can always email me. I have that link down below in my description box. Or you can head on over to Instagram and you can message me there on a photo. You can private message me. I'm really good about getting back to all my comments. I really love and enjoy talking to you guys, so I would never shut those off as part of my doing. Once again, that's just a YouTube thing. So thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, leave me any questions down below in the description box. I do post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, so definitely be on the lookout for those. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.